Good morning everyone, Jim here. Well, it's a day before my birthday. October 1st is my birthday. And here I am out here working. What we're doing is installing siding. And we'll take a few clips because we won't show the whole thing, but we're just starting to do some of it now. It's going to be a well, I'll show you. You'll see the color when we start doing it. But we're still putting up some of the trim required, you know, J-channel, corner pieces, stuff like that. So I'm going to let the camera run here in a little bit, and you'll be able to catch some of what we're doing. We've only got the lift for another 2 days, and we've still got the front and the back to do. The gable ends, wow, a lot of cutting. So anyway, keep watching, like and subscribe, and I'll more than likely speed the process up, so you can see it going. Welcome back, folks, to this beautiful day in Phillips, Maine. We did manage to finish this side. And we've actually got both gable ends done. But on the very back side, we've run out of material. And we also don't have the Genie lift anymore. So I'm not sure if we'll get that very back side done this year or not. But thanks for watching our progress as far as we've gone. You know, always asking for like and subscribe. And this camp project it's coming along slowly, but it's coming along. Bye for now.